Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. A recipe is coming for those who love potato dough recipes. Ingredients for the dough: 1 kilogram of wheat flour, 1 egg, 1 spoon of salt, half a kilo of water. Add the flour into the mixing bowl and add the egg, add a spoonful of salt. Add some water and mix. First mix the dough with a spoon, then knead the dough well with your hands. After the dough is smooth, cover it and let the dough rest for 1 hour. Finely chop 2 onions, add oil and fry in a pan. Peel 5 potatoes, chop them a little and boil the chopped potatoes. Take out the boiled potatoes, drain the water, add black pepper, add paprika, add the fried onions. Add salt if necessary and mash with a fork. Work will require a dough roller. You can cut the dough with a knife and divide it into 5 parts. Sprinkle flour on the counter and roll out the dough. Press down on the rolled dough with your hand. You can place the dough on top of each other in the bowl so that it does not dry out. Add flour to the dough and expand it with a rolling pin. A rolling pin is used to roll out the dough thinner. The rolling pin is long and thin. After the dough expands, cut it with a knife. Prepare small square pieces of dough. Add the potato mixture into the dough pieces. Fold it in a triangle shape and press it with your hand. After the ravioli is ready, place it on the cloth and dry it a little. Boil salted water and add the ravioli. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the ravioli without water and add to a large plate. Add yogurt with garlic on the ravioli. You can use thicker yogurt. The important thing is that it is whipped. Add ground red pepper to the heated butter and add it to the ravioli. You can add chopped parsley and different spices according to your desire. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to donate, we have a dollar bank and crypto address. You can specify in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.